Right, hello and welcome back. Today we've got something a little bit different. I was working in the garage yesterday and I had the door open because it's a nice sunny day, and this guy was walking past and said hello, and I got chatting to him, and he lives probably about 200 yards down the road and is restoring an ERA Turbo. He said to come and have a look at it, so we're gonna go have a look at it. Let's go see what this project's like. It's just so kind of different from everything else.
God, is it? I remember when Matt got it, it's you know, I said to him, bloody hell, I think it was £5 when he got it. It needed so much doing. With the car itself, he's probably spent over 10 grand on it. And to get the block painted with the right paint that don't peel off.
Right, so this is an ERA Turbo. So how long did you say this has been sitting around?
About 5 years.
About 5 years, and it's obviously had full paint job.
Yeah.
Engine's been fully rebuilt.
Rebuilt.
And it's been sitting for 5 years with a few little bits left.
It's embarrassing, isn't it?
So it's really not far off, so if anyone knows of anyone local to Hampshire that would be interested in or can recommend anyone to finish putting it all back together. Obviously there's body kit to go back on, bonnet, grille, all sorts of little bits. But yeah, if you know of anyone, please drop a comment, and yeah, cheers.
Unless it's moved.
Got the original wheels, all nicely redone, ready to go. Right, so that's the car. Nice to meet you, Peter.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Matt.
It's funny how you're only
2 doors away.
Yeah, a few doors away. So
we're going to be keeping in touch quite a lot.
So there's minis everywhere. So just go out and talk to people. So yeah, thanks for watching. So yeah, that was Pete and his son's ERA Turbo. I did speak to him for a little while after I stopped filming. You know, it's a bit awkward having the camera out, but yeah, lovely guy. And I was talking to him about maybe me helping him put it back together. He's not really well, they were more looking for someone to come and do it, so I'm sure I can help with a few things. So that'll be interesting, and I'll definitely be taking you guys along if and when I help out with the car. So yeah, stay tuned and hit subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.